Entering absence requests through Family Access enables you to alert your child's school of an absence without waiting for the office to answer a call. Within Family Access, we'll select the Attendance tile. Let's verify that we're on the Absence Request tab. And then we'll look to the far right and click on Add Absence Request. The start and end date fields default to today's date. For this example, we're going to change the absence date to April the 4th. If your student will be absent all day, leave the corresponding box checked. If they will be absent for a specific time frame, you can uncheck the all day box and then enter your start and end times here. For this example, Winston will be absent all day. Our attendance reason will be illness, and then we'll enter a comment so that the office knows the reason behind Winston's absence. Save the request. On this screen, you can see that the absence request that we just submitted is now pending. Now that you've entered the absence request, the office can process it at their convenience. Parents and guardians are also able to submit an absence request for their student via the Skyward app, following the same process that we just used.